rip it right away. Oh, it's gonna be a bit of a, yeah, I like some of the supercars. I saw a segment there on Diecast Loon's channel, especially with this one here, the Pagani Huayra. I don't know why this sounds like a W, but when they pronounce it, I believe it's Huayra. But yeah, man, I just finished getting that Nissan too, because it's just nice for the road version. And yeah, that's a part that I learned on the Diecast Loon's channel. And then the styling of the GT Ford. Yeah, sorry, man, it's just. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Sometimes it's blurry, so it's hard to see the dark bottoms. But anyway, yeah. Yeah, 2017 GT, Ford GT. The original Le Mans, when they brought it out, when they were competing with Ferrari and all the others. One of my more favorite Lambos. Then V-E-N-E-N-O. Venio? Yeah, Venio. Yeah, probably got that once before he did, but yeah, I love the McLarens. This is a nice car. Remember when I first saw that when they came out, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful car. England has some really, really nice heritage for sports cars and that, and yeah, I do like the Vipers. Well, I mean, some of the stuff that I have, so many different eras of casting needles for vehicles. Huge into racing. Most of my life for race cars. I've been a car nut all my life. Oh, really? Well, a car nut? Yep. Anyway, I know cars always fascinated me. I just had a love, and I had a teacher, D. I'm going to share that story again. Very, very kind man and his wife. Lovely farm when I was growing up, learning from a very, very, very passionate man. I learned a lot from him, and I'll share that again. When I got my school stuff right, it was a little slow, I guess, when I was a kid. Every time I made the 5th star on some of my homework, he got me a die-cast car. And it's among one of the reasons why I still have such a deep love for die-cast wheels. And of course, I will say, my birth father's father ran a Studebaker dealership when they immigrated to Canada, and I just went out and got that for her. And of course, speaking of supercars, there. Sorry. Yeah, Aston Martin V12. I bet she's blind as that in real life. And of course, one of the other ones I really like is this, the Lotus. Oh. My gosh, if that was a woman. Oh. Just that, man, look. There's no body styling on it. It screams heritage for racing. But not forget that other parts of the world, you know. Got that from Model Cars Houston. He has some really nice resin castings, die cast from 64th right up to 1/18th, even bigger. And so yeah, but when it comes down to heritage and racing and all that, yeah, grew up around that. And of course, the affinity, I think, is a lot of things. I love the old Capris still, especially the British version of it. That guttural sound is just pure horsepower, and well, it's always a fascination for fast things on wheels.